What's up, you beautiful people? I am freezing my butt off. It has been so cold here, and this Florida girl can't take this South Carolina weather anymore. It's crazy. Anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I am back today with another unboxing fans slime. You guys seem to be loving these videos. So I have a part 3 for you. I don't know how many more of these I'm gonna do. I don't want it to get too repetitive, but I do have an idea to do a husband unboxes fan slime. So him reviewing it all instead of me. He loves slime. He always comes in and plays with my slime. So I thought it'd be kind of funny if he did his own review. Let me know if you guys would like to see that by leaving a comment or giving this video a like. So I am back with another one of these videos today. And before I jump into it, of course, I gotta share my shout out squad of the video with you guys. If you wanna be featured in my next video, all you have to do is click the subscribe button, turn on the little bell, that way you're notified every time I upload, which is usually 2 to 3 times a week. And then also don't forget to leave a comment telling me that you turned it on. Then I'll be screenshotting some of your comments and featuring them in my next video. And let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so this first package is from QUACKS, and unfortunately it had a little spill in the shipping process, so I wasn't able to unbox that pink one, but we're going to salvage the rest. So it did come with this really cute squishy. These are super slow rising ones, and this one is just a cute little guy. So these are the 2 slimes I was able to salvage. This one was in perfect condition, and it is the cereal milk slime. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's awesome texture. It's a very thin slime, not sticky at all, and it smells like Fruit Loops. It smells so good. This next slime, the container on it broke, so I kind of cleaned it up and transferred it to a new container, and so for that reason I would give it a 9 out of 10, but the slime itself was amazing. This is a Christmas cloud cream, but it has a really unique texture. I'm pretty sure it's made with a clear glue, so it has a really cool texture, and it's more of even a cloud slime. It's really awesome. It gets really big and fluffy. So I love this one. It leaves absolutely no residue. It's not sticky, and it has a really nice and fresh smell to it. It's really nice. These next slimes are from MAJESTIC Slime. So we have some Skittles and some little extras. We have some confetti and instant snow. Now this first slime is called the Upside Down. It's inspired by Stranger Things, and it is so pretty. I give this one a 10 out of 10. I love the color combination with the glitter. I did have to add some activator. As you could see, it was quite sticky, but once I added it, it was super stretchy still and just a really nice slime. So I liked this one a lot. Next we have Blueberry Icy, which is so sizzly and crunchy. I loved this one. The only thing is I would give it a 9 out of 10 because it wasn't completely full. It's really pretty though. It's like a purple with gold glitter in it, and it has a super crunchy texture. It's just not super stretchy, but it's really cool. I like this one a lot. This next slime also gets a 10 out of 10, and it is her blue metallic slime. I love the color. It did need to be activated a little bit, so a little tip is if you're selling a clear based slime, overactivate it a little bit, and then once it ships, it'll be the perfect consistency. That way it doesn't get all cloudy again. But look at this, how pretty. This next one is Purple Glitz, and I would also give it a 10 out of 10. It's a beautiful coloring. It did, again, need some activator. Clear slimes just tend to get a little more sticky in the mail, but it is just a beautiful, beautiful color. These next slimes are from Dream Slime Studio, and so first off we have some little extras in borax, and here is a mystery slime. Now this one was very sticky. It did need quite a bit of activator. It was a very thin slime, so it's very clicky, but it did leave a lot of residue, and it needed some activating. I'm not a huge fan of the color, so I will give this one a 9 out of 10, but it is really clicky and fun to play with, just a little bit on the sticky side even with activating. It did come with 2 little 2-ounce extras, which I'm not going to be reviewing anymore in these videos, but I thought I would go ahead and just mention them. They did both need activating, so I just left them like that. These next slimes are from Rainbow Candy Slime, and she had amazing extras, amazing packaging, nothing leaked. It looked very, very professional, so super impressed right off the bat. This is the Lavender Butter Slime. It gets a 10 out of 10. It is amazing. It's not sticky whatsoever. It smells like lavender. It's beautiful. And this came all the way from Canada, and it's still not sticky, so they did a great job. I love this butter slime. It's just really fluffy and inflatable, and it's just a really nice texture. I can't say enough good things about this and the packaging as well. And then next is this It's a Party like Floam slime, and this also just gets a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. It wasn't sticky whatsoever. It was a beautiful color, and I was actually expecting it kind of to smell like birthday cake because I feel like everyone does that, but this also has just an incredible smell. It doesn't smell like birthday cake. It smells like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's very nice and light. Reminds me of like childhood or something. I don't know. It just smells amazing. This extra slime was a peach sherbet, and it was a butter slime, and I would give this one a 9 out of 10. It smells amazing, the color is pretty, but it is a little bit on the stiff side. It does rip a little bit if you're not careful, but super cute. This next package is from Brooklyn Slime Co., and it was also packaged incredibly professionally. It looked amazing. All these extras are just like you would get. This is how it comes packaged when you order from her. So I thought everything was amazing, packaged really nicely, professionally, great labels, nothing leaked. So this first one is strawberry shortcake, and just look how amazing this is. The red part was a little bit on the sticky side, so I had to add a little bit of activator, not too much, but it's a half cloud cream slime, which is scented like cake and brown sugar, and then the red side is a jelly cube, which is scented like strawberry. So it's a really thick cloud cream. When you're done, it was a little sticky, but the texture was like amazing, and it smelled so good. I was like so impressed with this. Both of these slimes take a little bit of effort to make, so it's really cool that she did it like combined. I just think this slime was so good. This next slime is called Straw Nana, and it smells just like strawberry and banana. It is a semi-floam, and it's a really pretty pink base. It also was a tad bit sticky, so I had to add a little bit of activator, but I would still give it a 10 out of 10. It was just an amazing texture, super clicky, and very pretty, smelled great, awesome packaging and quality again. This last one for her was probably my favorite. This is the Frosted Cinnamon Crumb Cake, and the top, it just smells amazing. It smells like you're baking. The top is a like sizzly, crunchy layer scented like cinnamon cake, and the bottom is a glossy and clicky vanilla and brown sugar texture slime, and then when you mix it together, it's just amazing. It has such a cool texture, and it smells so good. So I was really impressed with this. This last package is from Animal Slime Creations, and it did have a little bit of a spill. This one came out fine, the extra, but the 2 full size did leak, and I realized it wasn't so much like her fault. It was these containers. They just did not snap at all. So it looked like it would be a snapping container, but it just wasn't. So they ended up leaking. So I would definitely recommend a more sturdy container. But other than that, the slime itself was amazing. This one is unicorn cereal, super like clicky. It wasn't sticky whatsoever, needed no activator, and so I would give it a 9 out of 10, but the slime itself totally gets a 10 out of 10. So this one also had packaging problems, but the slime itself, again, was amazing. It didn't need any activator whatsoever. A very clicky texture. If you like clicky textures, these are just amazing. And this one is coffee bean. It had a really nice scent to it, kind of like peppermint and a light scent of coffee, and the texture was really cool. It had almost like a sand gritty texture, like a coffee bean, which I thought was awesome. It's not like your typical just glitter, so it had a really cool texture as well. Alright, so those are the slimes. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments down below. And I'm also going to be linking like all these slime shops that I showed, either their slime shop or their Instagram, in the description box below. So just click down there to check it out. And I will talk to you guys very soon. Hope you all are having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.